I picked up this new deck belt off of Amazon. It's by Mighty Rugged, and this is a deck belt for our zero-turn mower. We have a Cub Cadet zero-turn, but this is the one that says it fits my specific mower deck belt, which I think it's said right, yeah, ZT1, and it doesn't say right here, but ours was like 148.25, something like that. So you're going to want to know the length of your belt on your deck for your mower. So if you're wanting to buy another one, because they sell all different sizes for all different mowers, but the key here is to know how many inches your belt is. So ours, it was either 144 or 148. I'm not 100% sure, but it is the ZT1, and it did match up with the specs of this belt that was on the listing for this. But anyways, this got really good reviews, and it's a nice looking belt. It's got a thick, hardy belt to it. It does have cables inside of it, it said. So it's got everything that I was looking for in a replacement belt. Of course, you know, way less expensive than the OEM belt, but from what I hear, lasts even longer. So we'll see. I'm going to go ahead and take this thing out of the package. We're going to check it out a little bit. So in the plastic, of course, we have the belt. It's got this just paper sleeve over it. I don't want to tear it up too much because I want to actually put the belt back in there. But it's a good size belt. And it is covered. It's your standard rubber belt, but it is covered with like this, I don't know, cloth-like material that goes over it. And it comes with like some install process card that gives you some basic hints and so forth. So I hope this information was helpful. Thank you very much for watching. Y'all take care.